Welcome to a new episode of Elmarhala Voice podcast. I'm host Naim, and today we're discussing AI's impact on the job market and innovation tools. Let's start with AI. It's the ability of machines to think, learn, and make decisions based on data integrated into our daily lives. Will AI take away jobs? Some repetitive roles might be affected, but AI will also create new jobs in fields like data analysis. AI isn't here to replace us, but to help. Knowing the right tools can make your work more efficient and faster. In innovation, tools like Miro and Figma help visually brainstorm and design collaboratively, speeding up project execution. For startups, Lean Stack and Pitch are essential tools for developing business models and designing presentations to pitch ideas effectively. Programmers benefit from AI too. Tools like GitHub Copilot and Replit improve coding efficiency, focusing on problem solving rather than manual coding. Use AI tools like ChatGPT and OpenAI Codex to write articles, generate text, and innovate across various fields effortlessly. In conclusion, AI assists in completing tasks efficiently. Thanks for listening to Elmarhala Voice. Follow us on social media. See you next time.